There is an intense yellow colored spice that we have been keeping in our kitchen since many generations and using every day. Turmeric, a food coloring agent, an ancient medicine and an ingredient of cosmetic. Do you know from where the intense yellow color of turmeric is coming? It's curcumin, a natural polyphenol. Polyphenols are organic compounds found abundantly in plants. Polyphenols defend plants from ultraviolet radiation and aggression of pathogens. Polyphenols function in our body as an antioxidant. Antioxidants safeguard human body from the harmful effects of free radicals. Research indicates that polyphenol consumption play a vital role in health through regulation of metabolism, weight, chronic disease, and cell proliferation. That is the reason why nowadays everyone is talking about turmeric. We are using turmeric daily in our Indian kitchen. The question arises, are you getting all the benefit of turmeric the way we are using? The answer is no. This is due to poor bioavailability of curcumin, the active component of turmeric. Bioavailability means ability of a substance or drug to enter into the bloodstream when introduced into the body and thereby having an active effect in the body. Various scientific evidence prove that curcumin has poor bioavailability, poor absorption, biodistribution and metabolism. Within an hour of eating turmeric, curcumin appears in our bloodstream but only in small traces. This may be due to insolubility of curcumin in water and rapid elimination from the body. There are several components that can increase the bioavailability of curcumin. For example, piperin, the major component of black pepper. When combined with curcumin, it has been shown to increase the bioavailability of curcumin to 2000%. So whenever you use turmeric, don't forget to add some amount of black pepper to it. Even a little pinch of black pepper can significantly increase the absorption of curcumin in our blood. In recent years, more than 5,000 articles have been published in the medical literature about turmeric, and more than 50 clinical trials have been tested against a variety of diseases, and dozens more studies are underway. A pilot study was conducted at CIMS Bhopal where 15 volunteers were given 500 mg of curcumin twice a day. Their blood and other biochemical tests were done before and after giving curcumin for 15 days. The results were amazing. The healthy volunteers fed with curcumin for 15 days showed a significant decrease in total cholesterol level in comparison to the previous days. Number 2, the soluble curcumin also significantly lowered serum triglyceride and LDL cholesterol in comparison to the previous days. Number 3, the blood glucose level was significantly decreased in 75% of the volunteers. Number 4, the total bilirubin level was also found to be on the lower side in majority of the volunteers. There are multiple evidences that turmeric has antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties and thus has a potential against diseases like diabetes, asthma, allergies, arthritis, neurodegenerative disease and chronic illness like cancer. Also, turmeric has a high place in Ayurvedic medicine as a cleanser of the body. So how to use turmeric in simple and easy way in our daily life? Here I can share with you 2 simple recipes. Number 1, turmeric tea. Boil water. Add 1 teaspoon of grated raw turmeric, half spoon of black pepper, half spoon of cinnamon powder, boil for 2 minutes and strain for your perfect cup of turmeric tea. Turmeric milk. Boil milk. Add 1 teaspoon of grated raw turmeric. Add half spoon of black pepper. Spoon of cinnamon powder, boil for 2 to 3 minutes, strain